Growing and developing your spiritual powers is a personal journey that can take various forms depending on your beliefs and practices. Here are some general guidelines that may help you enhance your spiritual development. 1. Don't bother completing that negative thought. Just stop it right there and change it to a happy, positive thought. Yes, I know it's difficult, but you can, with practice and patience. In ancient India, it was believed that there are angels everywhere who are simply waiting to grant people their wishes. So, if you say, "I'm going to have a really hard day, watch out," there could be an angel nearby that is only too pleased to grant your wish. 2. Think positive and only think good. Sometimes it's not possible. Then just relax. If negative thoughts come, let them. Envelop yourself and emit positivity through meditation, faith in a benevolent higher power and yourself. 3. Start the day on a positive note. Look at your hands every morning, and tell yourself, these hands are going to do amazing work. 4. Every night, count your blessings and be grateful. It doesn't matter how your day went, what challenges you had, and the failures. Just be grateful. And be happy. You've got a lot going for you in the present moment, right here and right now. 5. Meditate. Yes, you got that right. Our subconscious mind is a storehouse of our feelings, experiences, and thoughts. And we're all human. Events and people will leave their residue on us. Just use meditation as a special detox for your subconscious. Meditation does a whole lot more. Know that it does a lot of good, and your subconscious will love your practice of meditation.